Okay, so for those who've watched the channel, people know I love the John Deere JS46 and JS38, both of them. In fact, this is the 5th one I've got. I just got it this morning, good condition, because I don't make them anymore. So I'm going to give it a test run where I normally would use a ride on here. I'm going to test out that one. See what sort of job she can do. It's a pretty big backyard, so I'll give the push mower a good test. And as you can see here, I keep the chute up by just putting a rubber glove in there. Seems to work the best. Just put a rubber glove there and it seems to clamp itself down. And I just use the catcher at the same time. So that way, once that catcher's full, I can still continue the last lap and don't have to empty the catcher really until I'm ready. And if you mow in the right direction, it picks it up. If you go anti-clockwise, you're always going back over the part that's shot out anyway, so eventually it all does end up in there. It's just much easier to pick up. Well, yeah, then I'll give her a go. Move this up here. That's a good spot. Yeah, she works well, just like the other 4, so she's all good. I'll do the edges last and then I'll blow it all back onto there at the end. She's got in the catcher, so yeah, should have no trouble doing this. See how long it takes me. And I'll put the gun, of course. Grass is slightly wet too, so that makes it a little bit harder. Not impossible, but harder. no way a Honda mower would do that, especially under that tree over there. Would have conked out about 5 times by now. What makes this more unbelievable is that I've gone straight to the second level, lowest level. Whereas normally you probably have to have it on number 4 when it's like this. Weight of the back of the thing there. Here how long the grass was. See here, that's how much it took it down. So it's pretty thick. Didn't conk out. That part I'll have to whip snip. Well, I could mow it, I guess. I just got to lift the back flap up too. But I'll just whip snip it because it's faster. And carry this out. And that's that. Pretty good. Certainly looks used now. There we go, whippersnip that up under that tree. Under that tree. I couldn't get under that tree, it's too low for me. I'd have to crawl. And now I'm just going to get the blower. And of course, that up in there where it's hard to get into. I still did. But under there is pushing it. Me anyway. I'll get the buckets when I come back and I'll use the blower to blow all the clumps You see the pumps? I'll use them blower to blow them away. So that's first job done with the JS48. It's 8.5 horsepower. Most Hondas are 4.5. That's why it doesn't conk out with thicker grass. It's borderline ride or mower power. I mean that's 16.5, but some of them go only to 11 or 10. Right, so I've just finished mowing all this lawn and blowing everything, and looks good, except I've just noticed I've put the whippersnipper away and I've missed this path edge. So this is what the right thing to do is. The right thing is to walk right across the road, go get the whippersnipper back out, leave your blower there. It's going to take you an extra minute. Even though it kind of sucks that you missed it. But true professional gardener will walk for about 44 seconds, grab the whippersnipper back out like this. I might be being a little bit sarcastic here, but this is all part of the game, if you call it a game. It's all part of the job. So here I am, it's been 1:07. I've come back to where I've missed doing the edges. You can see I've done that one, I haven't blown it out yet. But there, for some reason my mind slipped. And I just totally forgot to do it. This is what you got to do. You get your whippersnipper and you do it. I haven't missed the edge. Took me 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go get my whippersnipper. Now I'll just blow it down and now the job's finished. And I can feel like proud that I've actually done the job properly. Right, on to the next job. Just got to do this bit. It's good.